Today we're tackling an African beehive that has been in this roof for more than 5 years. It's a massive nest that has its own set of unique challenges.
It's big, eh?
It is nice.
It's a nice size, eh?
So are we going to crawl, eh? Because you're not going to be able to stand.
I think it's going to be easier, Hannes, to put the ladder here and then walk across, eh?
I'm working with Hannes today from Bee Alive. He in fact invited me to join him on this removal. I love working with more experienced beekeepers as it's an opportunity to chat about hives and removals. And I highly recommend being part of a community of beekeepers because we can all learn from each other.
That's enough anyway.
Oh, that's enough.
In this removal, we have a unique challenge. The homeowner has been storing this formed polystyrene cubes and also sprayed a loose polystyrene all over the ceiling, which we'll be lying in as the crawl space is fairly limited.
Okay, so we've got all this polystyrene here. There are the bees there. It's a big nest, this. It's huge.
Do it, we must make space. I think you mustn't give that stuff to me. Let me throw it there because we still need to get the bee back up.
Okay. What are you thinking, back here?
Eh? No, I'm going to hang it.
You're going to hang it,
Yeah, because we need space for the buckets as well.
Yeah.
So, you're comfortable. It's very uncomfortable here. There's no space. And just look at this. This is a massive mess that we've got here. A lot of rubbish on the ceiling. Polystyrene that helps for the corrugated iron roof, that we don't hurt our backsides. Just look at that. It is massive. Really very nice. Right, let's do this. Yeah, that's why it is a cock. Yeah. Next time if I ask if you want to do a removal, you're going to be busy.
Nah, everyone is different, eh?
No, this is quite it's a beautiful nest, but a very difficult approach.
Yeah.
Now the nest was here, all the way up to there, look.
Yeah, and then it fell off by the looks of things, eh?
Yeah, or maybe somebody did come and remove it.
When wild honeybees are left alone and not relocated early after they find a location, the nest will continue to grow for years. In favorable conditions, a colony can expand the nest by 2 to 4 square meters a year if the space allows for it. Bearing in mind, if the comb is not being used to store honey or pollen, then the queen will be assessing if it's suitable to lay in and increasing the number of worker bees exponentially.
Right guys, the old nest collapsed, so even on there it's all comb that's lying flat, very old comb. So this is the new part of the nest, and obviously it goes up on this side. Really uncomfortable in here. Right, so we were still busy removing the polystyrene that was obviously supporting the old nest, and the whole thing fell off. So we are sitting with this now. We're going to work this first, get all the bees off, get the comb packed, and then we will start working on the other bees.
When they like a spot, they don't give up on it, eh?
No, they don't. They don't.
They'll make it work.
They sit tight.
So it's a big clump, eh?
It's massive. This is a whole bucket full again. wasn't expecting this.
No, but I'm glad. This is an interesting one, man.
Well, I'm glad you feel like that.
Yeah.
It is. It is.
You know, you don't see it. Often it's just a neatly built rack of cone.
Yeah.
You know? It's not all like complicated
Cavey.
like this. No.
Oh, no, this thing is flipping one of its own. Yeah. Beautiful. Absolutely not something that you see every day. Very messy, but very, very nice.
But they still manage to use it, you know.
Yeah,
it's like,
just with nectar they pack
yeah.
it. And you can see this looks like polystyrene here. Look, there's some white there.
Yes. So they actually use that.
They chew the polystyrene and it's like it flipping. They just like interlinked with the wax. Right, what we're going to do now, there's some brood, drone brood over here. Very nice patch that the queen laid full recently there. Some older brood here. So I'm going to first remove the honey crown there to expose this so we can take some nice photographs. And yeah, the bees are very nicely bedding up on that side, and that we leave. We don't vacuum them. I explained to Stuart now that this is like an emergency assembling ground. So all the bees are rushing there. So we can look for the queen there. Maybe she'll be there. Don't know if she will be there, but it's a good chance that we'll find her there. We will drive them a bit of smoke to get all the bees that side. But yeah, I hope we find her. Right, let me just remove this piece. Hey, yeah, that was a nice catch. Shame, that was that now. The honey pulled it off. It's too heavy.
They're drone, yeah.
Yeah, drone cells, yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Hoping to see the queen there. My queen tips are lying in the bucket, so if I see her now, I'll just vacuum her. But in winter, I told you about that one that I clipped and she got so cold, I thought she was dead.
Oh yes, she did, yeah.
So I'd rather vacuum them now. But in here it's not so cold. Fortunately not that hot.
All the bees are vacuumed into Hannes' custom-built bee vacuum, and the brood comb is placed in an insulated box to be transported and kept warm so it can be placed in a hive the bees will occupy.
Can I ask you to tear me another piece?
Sure.
That's it.
Actually does a good job, eh?
Yeah, it actually does. Huh? It's just to keep them from moving in now, but I said to him, he must put branding up here, put a ceiling in, and then take this stuff and fill it up completely. Even if you just do this, of sealing this one, that's all you need.
Okay.
All right. Lekker polystyrene everywhere.
You're gonna have to dust off again.
Yeah, I'll take your brush.